All right, y'all. Welcome back to the Domino 7 show. Here with
Missy.
Missy. All right.
Hi.
How you doing?
And Bob Camp.
Bob Camp. All right. It's his name right here. Hey, what's happening? The co-creator Ren and Stimpy.
That stuff right there.
Yes, indeed. Look at that, y'all. Bob Camp, co-creator Ren and Stimpy.
And then he's got all this original artwork.
Oh, and look, Powder Toast Man.
That's right, America's.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at a powder toast man right here.
That's right.
And you know something? Powder.
No, sir, I don't like it.
All right. When Ren got fat and Stimpy got skinny, still Stimpy was calling Ren stupid. And guess what? I said stupid, and then my friend said, "Domino, that's not nice." So who? So before I started filming, who? Excuse me. Oh, who did you say that was over there?
Who what?
Had you said somebody was over there? That's also fake.
Michael Golden, he's a great artist.
Michael Golden?
Golden, he's right over there with little Eva.
Oh, with the hat on?
You see the little Eva ink right there?
Oh yeah.
They're wonderful friends. Renee and Michael Golden is on this side.
Okay.
Definitely give them a shout out.
Okay, shout out to Michael Golden. Michael Golden. All right. Let's check these fellas out. Oh man, Xbox Live, PlayStation 2. Oh,
they got stuff for more back in his
oh my God! Oh look what they have. Look all they got. Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all on the Domino 7 show.
Oh, awesome, perfect.
All right. I mean, I hope I don't pass out. Y'all got some games. Oh, how much is this?
$15.99.
$15.99. Oh, y'all gonna make me cry. Y'all don't want me to cry, huh? Huh? Oh, so see Michael Golden?
What's that?
Michael Golden. Oh, he over there. Oh, I'm sorry though. Oh, how much is this?
It is back there, $24.99.
Oh no, yeah. Why y'all doing this to me? I'm just joking.
Gotta get them for
how much is it?
The rare they are, the whole goods are $4.99.
Oh, all right. So I already have this.
The segment ball?
Yeah, I already have that. I don't have Excite.
Yeah, $14.99.
I already have Tetris too. Look at all these games, folks. I already have this. I don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Tasmania. Blah blah blah. Oh yeah, but I have Tasmania for Sega Genesis, but it's not the same. Well, I already know. I'm not gonna say I already have it, but I don't.
I was just seeing what Genesis titles you guys have here, because I'm trying to see which ones I don't have.
I know these are rare.
Yeah, these are high, especially something like this.
Mega Man 2.
Mega Man 2.
And Super Mario RPG. I know that's very expensive.
Yeah. Oh yeah, even Turtles in Time. Oh wait, you guys have Joe and Mac also?
Joe and Mac.
They have that right there also.
All right.
I didn't think that was even on the Genesis.
Oh, how much is that Super Mario RPG?
Wait, is that Joe and Mac?
Huh?
RPG's $54.99.
54?
Yes, sir.
Well, okay.
I wanted to see it if I just make sure I was looking at it. Yeah, absolutely. But I thought this was only Super Nintendo or something that did that.
All right.
Yeah, you can't ever keep it in stock.
Truth the Gamer, if you're watching this, I can't believe you missing out, but my friend Randy TV is gonna be here tomorrow.
Nice.
Oh, how much is that Ninja Gaiden?
We got $12.99.
All right, but this gonna make you laugh. You ready?
Sure.
My cousin Buck was playing that game, and he lost on that snow level. You know that snow level?
I haven't played games for so long, man. I'm out of the loop.
And guess what?
One of the hardest games for the system, but at least they give you unlimited tries or whatever.
Oh, would you like to be on the show?
If you want to.
Oh, you're on the show right now. I'm filming. The Domino 7 show.
Yeah, no, I'm just looking on here too.
Okay, so
this one knows being like
I already have this.
The best game.
Wait, do I have that?
Well, they said this is one of the best wrestling games of all time.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's see how much. Oh, 21. I was so stupid to trade this game in.
Well, this one's good also, Rogue Squadron.
I was so stupid to trade that in too. I'm a dumb.
Mega Man 3 right there.
Mega Man 3. These, I'm gonna catch a heart attack because I want them so bad.
And then you got Fantasy Zone. I thought this was only on a Master System.
Well, don't worry. I already have Super Mario World.
You can have them all the right price. It's paying.
Oh, and that's also the best
Donkey
version.
Kong.
That's the best version of Donkey Kong because it's got 100-something levels after the 4 main levels.
Oh yeah, I figured
Remember
that.
the NES ports and all, they don't have all the levels on it.
Oh, I know.
It has all 4 plus 100-something of its own levels.
Oh, okay,
That's the best
gotcha.
version of Donkey Kong inside.
Oh, you're a genius, man.
Well, I found out by doing my research on it, and that's the first time he appeared with the tie.
All right, cause you know what? I want to play them so bad. I'm sick and tired of watching it, and I be wanting to play it.
It's a good multiplayer one too. Zombie Saved by Neighbors.
Okay, I already have Super Mario World. I had Super Mario RPG before Katrina. I lost it.
Oh, and that was a good shooter back there. Soul, whatever that's called. That's good.
For Sega.
The better version is the Sega CD version.
Oh, the Sega CD.
The Sega CD one's better, but that one's still good.
Okay, let's see.
Sega CD, I think, just
Bio Freaks, I got that.
So that one's good right there. 1080.
Oh yeah. Oh, I lost snowboarding games. Let's see what this is.
What else they have right there?
Victor Man or Vector Man.
Play that Victor Man too.
Wild Quest. Wild Quest. Vector Man 2. Yes, indeed. If I'd have known y'all was gonna sell these, I would have saved my money. I can't believe y'all doing this to me. Huh? Oh yeah, I know, but I love video games.
There's only a few licenses.
I cried when I can't afford them.
The NES Batman right there too.
Oh,
which
Batman.
Which is a licensed game that's known for being good.
Oh, could you excuse me? I'll be right back. Okay, don't go anywhere. I'll be back. Okay. All right. Hello. Hey, how you doing? You Michael Golden?
Why?
Oh, I'll just ask him.
Yes, I am.
Oh, all right. You on the Domino 7 show?
Well, howdy.
Oh, I'm filming right now.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm
On a Domino 7 show.
Oh yeah. So anyway, I'm not that popular yet.
Well, we'll get you there.
All right. So anyway, you're an artist, right?
I am a writer, artist, creator, toy designer.
Toy
animator,
designer?
Everything that you can think of.
Oh yes, I love
do it all.
I like Bugs Bunny, Batman, everything. Oh,
Absolutely.
yeah, especially Ren and Stimpy.
Yeah, Ren and Stimpy too.
All right. Yes, indeed. All right. So it's nice to meet you. Another famous person I meet. I can't believe this is happening to Domino.
Oh, I'm not just famous. I'm a legend.
A legend. Oh,
I'm a legend.
Let me tell you something. You done made history on the Domino 7 show.
There you go.
You the first legend that ever appeared on the Domino 7
There you
show.
go. I am now immortal.
Yes, indeed.
That's it.
You're the first legend. I'm telling you, the first legend that ever appeared on the Domino 7 show.
Well, there we go.
Because you know Bob Barker, he always point out historical moments.
And this is historical and hysterical.
Oh yeah, hysterical. I like Pokemon as well.
There you go.
Okay, I'm about to go back to the video game
All
table.
right. Go for it,
Oh,
Domino.
she your assistant?
She's my agent and publisher. This is
Agent. Oh, what's her name?
Renee Witterstatter.
Renee Witterstatter.
Witterstatter. Right.
Okay.
She's also a writer, colorist, editor, publisher, producer, all kinds of stuff.
Oh,
She's famous too.
You're on the Domino 7 show. Oh yeah, let's check out what they got. Okay, Star Wars. Oh, I love Star Wars. You know, I want to tell you, I'm stupid. You know, I call myself that because I trade in Star Wars Rogue Squadron and traded in for money and a Shadow of the Empire. And some told me don't do it. You know, and I did it. I wanted cash with my crazy self.
Cash speaks.
Yeah, and it's all my fault.
That's the force. That's the real force. Cash is the force.
Okay. All right. So before I go back to the video games, let's show everybody Star Wars. I love Star Wars though.
Yeah,
Darth Vader.
We got the best Star Wars stuff.
And should I say Duck Vader that was on Tiny Toons. I love Tiny Toons. Bugs Bunny, and guess what? Bugs Bunny went to jail.
Oh, always.
And SpongeBob was in jail too. I watch SpongeBob all the time. And Mrs. Puff always go to jail.
There must be some sort of comedy element in jail.
All right.
Here you, Domino.
All righty. All right, let's check out the games. I don't. Oh, I'm sorry.
I didn't mean to get in your way.
Oh no, you was in my. I was in your way. I'm sorry. So you don't want to be on the show, huh?
I'm just watching.
Okay, I'm not gonna put y'all.
You beat
All right.
Good stuff. I love Odyssey.
So anyway, I'm back at the table. You're back on the show.
I'm back on the show. It's cool.
I can't believe I put a legend on my show. It's just a historical moment. I'm like Bob Barker pointing out historic moments.
I appreciate it.
Yep. Need for Speed. Look at all this. Oh my God, God is good. All right. So, oh, how much is Star Fox?
Star Fox $19.99.
$19.99, and I want to tell you, I'm stupid. Oh, you're back on the show now.
Yeah, Star Fox.
What's your name, sir?
Josh.
Josh. Okay, you're on a Dominoes 7 show. Mix with the legend over there.
Yeah, I thought this was $100 though, because I thought this game was like so soft.
Oh yeah.
Well, they do have the new Super Nintendo Mini that's got the that's got the Star Fox 2 prototype.
Oh yeah, that was canceled. I know.
Yeah, it was fun.
All right. And I'm losing my voice, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, so I'm losing one too.
All right. So anyway, we'll be right back after these messages. Time for a commercial break.